Hi students, this is our final presentation that we're coming into, and I just wanted to give you a few tips on doing a power presentation online. Videos are hard, we've already learned that, and many of you have overcome your fear of doing an online interview. Now we're going to just take it to the next level. I want you to think a lot about your background. Is it a safe background? Watch your video. Are you moving a lot? Is it distracting? Earlier in the video, I had a vest on. I took the vest off because I felt like it was detracting from the message. So those are just a few things. My lighting, I have my overhead light on, have it dimmed a little bit, and I have a side lamp on. Just to share, you may want to sit up, but some of you I've watched slump over, and that doesn't look confident. So the more we give our power, Amy Cuddy power moves, and stand up or sit up, we're going to expand our chest and we sound more confident. You may choose to stand up, something I do often when I'm going to present. But when I do, I can't look down at the camera. I have to bring the camera up to eye level and set it up. Making sure not to hold it and jiggle it. These are all just some tips for your final online presentation. Remember, we're striving to be leaders, and one of the leadership skills we know our students need is presentation skills. So take some time and practice. This is my fourth round with this video because I once had a piece of hair that was straggling, and then another time I had my vest on. So I'm trying it again, just trying to do the best I can. And while it is not perfect, it's still a work in progress. And I hope that all of you have a great Thanksgiving, and I look forward to hearing your final presentation.